Today, we're diving into a simple yet powerful feature: how to lock the position of all tracks in your timeline with just one click. Let's get started. If you've ever found yourself accidentally moving clips around or making unwanted changes, this feature is a lifesaver. First, head over to the toolbar that is located just above your timeline. Here, you'll find an option called Position Lock. Select it and instantly, all tracks in your timeline will be locked in place. Now you can't accidentally move or adjust anything. To unlock all tracks, simply go back to the same menu and uncheck Position Lock. Remember that it will only lock the position of the clips. However, you still have the option of trimming the clips. This feature is especially helpful when you're working on final touches and want to prevent any accidental changes. And that's it. You've successfully locked the position of all tracks in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve tips.